Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, the foamy soap. Earlier we have read OA sound words. And this lesson is based on OA sound. You can see the title of the lesson, The Foamy Soap. FOAMY, foamy, and SOAP, soap. This lesson is about two friends and a big bad lion. Okay, children? But let's see some new words first. Master, master. Whom we called a master? Under whom we work. Means our boss is called a master. Brave. Brave means courageous. He is a brave boy. Jungle. Jungle, forest. A lion lives in a jungle or a lion lives in a forest. Scared. Scared means fearful. He is scared. Slippery. This surface is slippery. You will slip here. So be careful. Slippery. Next. Come one by one. Who is the next? Next means agla. Suddenly. Suddenly means all of a sudden. Suddenly, achanak. Agrees. I am agree with you. Or he agrees whatever you are saying. सहमत होना, राजी होना. Town, city. Okay, let's start the lesson, children. Dopey is a hard-working goat. He always wears a bright red coat. One day his master tells him to carry a load of coal to the next town. Dopey is a hard-working goat and he always wears a bright red coat. His coat color is bright red color. He always wears that coat, and one day his master tells him to take the load of coal away to the next town. And Dopey is a good goat. He likes to work for his master, but he knows that to go to the next town he has to cross the jungle. Dopey is a good goat and he also wants to obey his master. But one thing that he knows, that between the next town and the town he is living, there is a jungle. And what is the special thing about that jungle? And a big bad lion lives in the jungle. The special thing about that jungle is a big bad lion lives in that jungle. Dopey is scared. He does not want to go alone into the jungle. So Dopey thinks of his friend Soapy the toad. He goes to his house. Now what happened? Dopey is scared. Dopey becomes fearful because of big bad lion who lives in that jungle. He does not want to go alone into the jungle. So he think about his friend, and his friend name is Soapy. And Soapy is a toad. Toad is an animal like a frog. Soapy is a toad. Dopey goes to his house. Now let's see what happened. He finds Soapy taking a bath. Soapy is a very clean toad. Now Soapy is doing what? He is taking a bath. Soapy is a very clean toad, and one thing, he has a round pink soap. He has a round pink soap which he always keeps the soap in his pocket. And Soapy always keeps that soap in his pocket. Dopey asks Soapy to go with him to the next town. Soapy is very brave. I am not scared of the lion, he boasts. बोस्ट मीन्स डींग हाँकना, बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना। तो व्हाट हैपन चिल्ड्रन, डोपी जब वहाँ पहुँचा तो सोपी नहा रहा था। वो एक बहुत ही साफ सुथरा टोड है और उसके पास एक पिंक कलर का सोप हमेशा होता है जो वो अपने पॉकेट में रखता है। डोपी ने जब सोपी को नेक्स्ट टाउन चलने के लिए कहा अपने साथ, तो सोपी रेडी हो गया बिकॉज सोपी इज़ वेरी ब्रेव, और वो बोलता है कि मैं लायन से नहीं डरता हूँ। He agrees to go with Dopey. He packs some toast in a box and the two friends set off down the road. And the way is very long. That's why what he did, he packs some toast in a box. Okay, for refreshment, for eating on the way. And then the two friends, Soapy and Dopey, set off down the road. They walk all day, it becomes night. Suddenly they hear a loud roar. They start walking faster, but what do they see? The big bad lion is standing before them. And all day they used to walk. It becomes night now, and all of a sudden they hear something. What was that? A loud roar, roar of a lion. They become scared and so they start walking faster. But what happened? The big bad lion is standing before them. और वो जो तेज़ी से चलने लगे, लेकिन जो बड़ा सा बुरा सा लायन था वो उनके सामने खड़ा था, उन्होंने देखा। You can see in the picture also. The lion says, "Aha, a goat and a toad. I am going to roast you and eat you for dinner. I am tired of eating boars every day." Boars means flesh of animals, dead animals. I am tired of eating boars every day. The two friends are scared but they do not show it. दोनों बहुत डर गए, लेकिन उन लोगों ने ये दिखाया नहीं अपने फेस से कि हम लोग बहुत डरे हुए हैं। Soapy the toad is smart. He has a good plan. He says, "Lion sir, we have been walking since morning. We are very thirsty. Please let us drink some water first. Then you can eat us." The lion gives them a glass of water and lies down under a tree. Soapy takes out the soap from his pocket and soaks it in the glass. He then rubs the soap on Dopey and himself. There is lot of foam. Now what happened children? Soapy toad बहुत ही स्मार्ट था। उसने कहा कि लायन सर, हम लोग सुबह से चल रहे हैं, वी आर वेरी थर्स्टी, बहुत प्यासे हैं, क्या आप हमें कुछ पानी देंगे पीने के लिए और कुछ खाने देंगे? Lion gives them a glass of water, and then what he did? He lies down under a tree. वो पेड़ के नीचे लेट गया उन्हें पानी देकर। सोपी ने क्या किया कि उसके पॉकेट में पिंक सोप रहता था, वो निकाला और ग्लास में उसे डुबा दिया, उसको भिंगा दिया। और तुम जानते हो बच्चों कि सोप भीगने के बाद उसमें से झाग निकलने लगते हैं, और फिर भींगा हुआ सोप उसने अपने और डोपी के बॉडी पे पूरा रगड़ लिया और बहुत सारा झाग हो गया। They become slippery, then they begin to run. और उसके बाद वो लोग स्लिपरी हो गए। साबुन से तो फिसलता है ना, हाथ में अगर लगा लो तो, उन्होंने तो पूरी बॉडी में लगाया हुआ था, तो वो स्लिपरी हो गए और फिर वो भागने लग गए। The lion sees them running and runs after them. He catches the goat, but oops, the goat slips away. He catches the toad, but the toad also slips away. He tried to catch them, but what happened? They slip away. Soapy throws the pink foamy soap on the ground, and then after rubbing on their body, Soapy throws the soap on the ground. The lion puts his foot on the soap, and do you know what happens? The lion slips and bangs his head against the tree. He cries loudly for help. और उसके बाद लायन का पैर उस सोप पे पड़ा और वो फिसल गया और उसका सर जाके ट्री में टकराया। और जानते हो तुम क्या हुआ? वो जोर से चिल्लाया हेल्प के लिए। डोपी एंड सोपी रन फास्ट। दे सी अ बोट नियर द रिवर। दे बोर्ड द बोट एंड रो इट फास्ट टू द अदर साइड। वो दोनों तेजी से दौड़े और भागकर नदी के किनारे उन्होंने देखा कि एक बोट लगी हुई है। वो बोट में बैठे और तेजी से चलाकर दूसरी साइड की ओर भागे। दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ द फोमी सोप चिल्ड्रन। होप यू लाइक दिस स्टोरी. You can do one interesting exercise also. Let's see what is this. You have to see the picture and write the word. Complete the word with OA sound. This is a picture, a buttered toast, 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 a red coat, COAT, a strong boat, BOAT, a soap, SOAP, a wide road, ROAD, a black board, BOARD. One blank is left. You can make a blank, BOARD, blank board, a black board. Okay children, hope you understood this lesson very well. Rest of the exercises we will do in other video. Subscribe my channel, like and comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you children.